In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PDF file in LibreOffice. If you have a document in LibreOffice and you want to turn it into a PDF for easier sharing, printing, or preserving the formatting, this process is very simple. A PDF is useful because it helps keep your document looking consistent across different devices and operating systems, which is especially important when sending files to other people. To begin, open the LibreOffice document that you want to convert into a PDF. Make sure the document is final or close to final before exporting, since the PDF will capture the content and layout as it appears at that moment. It's a good idea to quickly review the document first so you can confirm that everything looks correct, including text, images, spacing, and page breaks. Once your document is open, go to the top menu bar and click File. From there, hover over Export As and then select Export as PDF. This will open a pop-up window with several PDF export options. These settings let you control how the final PDF will be created, so it's worth taking a moment to review them. In the pop-up window, you can choose the page range if you only want to export specific pages instead of the entire document. You can also adjust image settings, which can help balance file quality and file size. For example, higher quality images may look better, but they can also make the PDF larger. If needed, you can add a watermark, choose the PDF version, and set structure-related options depending on how you want the file to behave or display. After you've selected the settings you want, click Export. Your computer's file browser will then open, allowing you to choose where you want to save the PDF. At this stage, you can also edit the file name if you want to make it easier to recognize later. Choose the destination folder carefully so you can quickly find the file after it's saved. When everything looks good, click Save. LibreOffice will then create the PDF and save it to the location you selected, and that's it. Your LibreOffice document has now been turned into a PDF. If you want, you can open the saved PDF afterward to double-check that the formatting, images, and pages look exactly the way you expected. This is a quick and reliable way to create shareable, professional-looking documents directly from LibreOffice.